Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be taking a look at Binance. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how you can buy BNB, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Binance is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, offering more than 1,000 markets, with an extensive list of trading pairs and relatively low fees compared to its competitors. The Binance account can also be used to buy and sell NFTs on the Binance NFT Marketplace, making it easy for developers and creatives to utilize all of the functions and features offered by Binance. The Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, is a smart contract-enabled blockchain network created with the goal of creating a decentralized financial ecosystem. However, over the past year, regulators have disrupted Binance's operations by banning its services, and it has become necessary to operate as a centralized entity with a decentralized platform, now being described as Binance Smart Chain CeFi, Centralized Finance, or CDeFi. The Binance Smart Chain operates using a proof-of-authority consensus mechanism, providing a secure exchange and enabling smart contracts, offering faster transaction times, lower fees, and advanced programming capabilities for developers. So who created Binance? Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhao and was launched in 2017. The company was initially based in China, but relocated to the Cayman Islands after Chinese regulations threatened business activities. In 2017, Zhao left OKCoin to start a cryptocurrency exchange called Binance, and in less than 8 months, Zhao grew Binance into the largest cryptocurrency exchange. Zhao also launched the Binance Smart Chain blockchain network, and it has made a significant contribution to the evolution of the decentralized finance industry. The Binance Coin, or BNB, was launched almost 4 years ago. The 100 million BNB tokens that were available for public sale were sold during the ICO at 15 cents per token, and Binance raised a total of $15 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum. This ERC20 utility token allows users of the exchange to pay less in fees if the token is used for transactions. BNB can be traded for other cryptocurrencies on most popular exchanges and several platforms, allowing investors to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets. BNB can also be used as collateral for loans on certain platforms. And there are applications that allow users to split bills and pay friends and family. In order to buy BNB, you will first need to get a Binance-supported wallet of your choice. Once you have chosen a wallet, you can then sign up to Binance and either purchase BNB directly with their supported peer-to-peer exchange, or by bank transfer or credit card. You can also download their mobile crypto trading application to trade your BNB as well as 300 other cryptocurrencies anytime, anywhere. Some of the best wallets that you can use include the Ledger Nano hardware wallets. Ledger Nano hardware wallets are secure and reliable, supports multiple cryptocurrencies, and the most prominent feature of this wallet is its security. It can be taken off the grid at any time, making it almost impossible for hackers to steal your assets. The Binance Chain wallet is the official Binance cryptocurrency wallet for accessing Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain, and Ethereum. It can be used to securely store crypto assets across several different blockchains. The Trezor hardware wallet supports more than 1,000 currencies, and it stores your digital coins and secures them by using a randomly generated PIN code that keeps the device safe and secure. It offers ultra-secure offline storage and allows you to hide your private key. The Binance NFT Marketplace provides one of the highest liquidity platforms for artists, musicians, and crypto enthusiasts, where they can create and trade top NFTs. The three distinct product lines on offer in the marketplace are minting, selling, and bidding. There are also events that feature NFTs from top artists, along with mystery boxes that feature NFTs with different rarity levels. Binance is collaborating with big-time studios to focus on bringing crypto-oriented gaming to mainstream audiences by developing crypto-enabled, pay-to-earn games and apps that will give gamers an opportunity to generate revenue. With its global reach, Binance NFT could potentially initiate an unprecedented play-to-earn NFT-based trend, and it could completely revolutionize the gaming industry because there is a strong value proposition and growing demand for in-game assets and non-fungible tokens alike in these virtual worlds. What do we like about Binance? By purchasing BNB, you are getting exposure to the biggest global crypto exchange, the second biggest smart contract player, and it probably has the widest range of product offerings to its clients, including an NFT marketplace. BNB uses 5 advanced cryptographic algorithms to prevent malicious centralization of mining and power fluctuations in hash rates, and currently ranks 4th in the CoinMarketCap ratings. A BNB block is made every 3 seconds, which is 185 times faster than Bitcoin, and provides faster transaction confirmation with improved storage efficiency, handling an incredible 1.4 million orders per second. The Binance coin was created as a utility token for discounted trading fees in 2017, but its uses have expanded to numerous applications, including payments for transaction fees on the Binance Chain network, travel bookings, entertainment, online services, and financial services. Being one of the world's largest crypto exchanges and offering a variety of markets with an extensive list of trading pairs, the Binance network is safe, effective, and transparent. And by purchasing BNB, you are getting exposure to the biggest global crypto exchange, which in our eyes is a fantastic option. If you would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Binance. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.